I'm gonna solve question number 15, which is this. Now first step is let y is equal to x. Now as we see in this question that a plus x is in individual under root and a minus x is individual under root. So our own easiness, we take it in the 1 under root. So we can easily apply product formula of any two variable. Product rule of any two variable u into v, which is equal to v derivative of u plus u derivative of v. So now differentiate with respect to, as I told you earlier, where there is in the right side variable, we will differentiate with that variable. So here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy by dx. Now we consider this as a u term and we consider this as a v term. So we can easily apply product rule. Product rule is derivative of any two variables is equal to v. We consider this as a v. So this is v derivative of u is this, plus u is this, derivative of v. V is, we consider this, a plus x divided by a minus x. Now under root a plus x divided by a minus x as it is, and derivative of x is 1 plus x as it is, d by dx. Now derivative of this term. I told you in the previous question, where there is in the form of power of any variable, first of all we will apply the power formula, which is d by dx, x raised to power n is equal to n x n minus 1. Whenever there is power of any variable, first of all we will apply the power formula, which is n x. X is this term, n minus 1. N is 1 by 2 because the value of under root is 1 by 2. So n x n minus 1. Now again we differentiate this term, this x, derivative of a plus divided by a minus x. Always remember, whenever there is power of any variable, first of all we apply power formula, then again we differentiate x. Now a plus x divided by a minus x as it is, plus x 1 by 2, a plus x divided by a minus x, 1 by 2 minus 1 will become 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2, and derivative of this. Now here we apply quotient formula, and quotient formula, whenever there is two variable in the form of quotient, we apply the quotient rule. Quotient rule is v derivative of u minus u derivative of v whole divided by v square. Now here apply quotient rule. We consider this as a u and we consider this as a v. Now v is this, v derivative of u, we consider this as a u minus u, we consider this as a u, derivative of v, we consider this as a v term, whole divided by v square, v is this. Now under root a plus x divided by a minus x plus x 1 by 2. Now we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2. Now a minus x as it is, derivative of any constant is 0 plus derivative of x is 1 minus a plus x as it is. Here we differentiate a derivative, a is constant term, so derivative of any constant is 0 and derivative of minus x is minus 1, whole divided by a minus x whole square. Now under root a plus x divided by a minus x plus x. Now we take in the numerator under root a minus x under root a plus x in the form of individual. It doesn't affect on our question. So further we will solve a minus x as it is, minus 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 into minus plus, so a plus x, it doesn't affect any of these two terms if there is outside the positive sign. Minus minus will become plus, whole divided by a minus x whole square. Now minus x and plus x cancel each other. Next step is under root a plus x divided by a minus x plus x, 1 by 2 है, 1 by 2 under root a minus x divided by under root a plus x, plus a plus a plus 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 2a, whole divided by a minus x whole square. Now 2 and 2 cancel each other, we'll multiply both of, under root a plus x divided by a minus x plus x, a under root a plus x and a minus x, 2, 1 we take it in the denominator, so positive 1 by 2 become negative, so 2 minus 1 by 2 will become 4 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Now we'll multiply a minus x, a plus x divided by a minus x under root as it is plus, now we multiply both of these two terms, ax over a plus x under root, now in 3 by 2, when a minus x 3 by 2 we can write in the form of under root 1 by 2 and a minus x and a minus x, 1 plus 1 by 2 become 3 by 2, so we can write 3 by 2 in the form of this. Now we will take LCM. Now we'll take LCM. Here we see that under root a minus x is here and under root a minus x is here. So we'll take, first of all we will take the common under root a minus x. What we will get? Under root a plus x as it is plus ax as it is divided by, this is outside, so what we will give? Under root a plus x or a minus x Now we'll take the LCM of both of these two fraction. So LCM is under root a plus x, a minus x. Now as we seen that both these are not in the denominator, so we multiply it by numerator. A plus x under root a plus x and a minus x plus. Here we can set both of these two in the denominator, so we take ax as it is and we will multiply by 1. A minus x 1 by divided by 1 under root a minus x. Now under root a plus x 1 and 1 whole raised to power 2. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel each other. What we will get? A plus x, a minus x into a minus x plus ax whole divided by under root a plus x, a minus x. Now 1 divided by under root a minus x. Both of these multiply. One time b is positive and one time b is negative. So here we apply a plus b. B is positive one time, b is negative. Here we will apply a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. B is x square plus ax under root a plus x into a minus x, which is equal to now a square minus x square plus ax whole divided by under root a plus x under root a minus x into a minus x, which is our required answer.